Welcome to this technical guide on the PS5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your PS5 joystick isn't responding properly, it can be incredibly frustrating. This issue often arises due to wear and tear on the internal components, usually caused by prolonged use or accidental damage. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further complications, making your gaming experience less enjoyable and potentially more costly to fix later on. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement joystick component. Begin by ensuring your PS5 is powered off and unplugged from the mains. Carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry open the casing of the controller. Start at the seam and work your way around to avoid damaging the plastic. Once opened, locate the joystick component, which is usually situated at the top of the controller. You may need to gently disconnect a few cables to access it fully. Take note of how everything is connected, as this will help during reassembly. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the joystick in place. Be careful with the screws, they are small and can be easily lost. As you extract the joystick, be mindful of any nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new joystick component and position it where the old one was located. Secure it with the screws you previously removed, ensuring they are tight but not over-tightened, as this can cause damage. Reconnect any cables you had previously detached, ensuring they are firmly in place. Once everything is back in position, gently snap the casing of the controller back together. Ensure there are no gaps and that it's securely closed. Finally, plug your PS5 back in and power it on. Test the joystick to confirm it is functioning properly. If you notice any issues, double-check your connections. To prevent this issue from occurring again, consider using your controller with care, avoiding any excessive force during gameplay. Regularly clean the joystick area to remove any debris that might affect performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.